Welcome, fabulous friends. I am Don, the Qi Gong shaman, and I welcome you back, or I welcome you to my channel where we play with energy. We use the wisdom from the somewhat ancient Taoist Qigong tradition. We use breath, movement, and intention to heal our body, mind, and spirit. Today, I am excited to share with you something that I like to call the shake and stake, and it brings together two important concepts within the Qigong practice, that of releasing energy, which does not serve our mind, body, spirit, and heart, and then welcoming in energy after we have cleansed to heal our mind, body, spirit, and heart. So first, and I will be demonstrating in a moment, but first, we shake for the same reasons that we cut the dead flowers off of a plant after they have flowered and died. In our body, minds, and spirit, we get debris that accumulates towards the surface layers of our being, and so we shake and we let those go. We release them. And if you have specific issues in your practice, you can focus on those areas more. Then, after shaking, clearing, releasing, we proverbially put a stake into the ground. And that is my language, but think of Gandalf in Lord of the Rings and how, and this is a very traditional mystical power practice where you take both hands and you grab a proverbial sword or a real one, or a staff, or in my case, stake, because I like to rhyme, and we plant it. So we shake, we stake, and then we allow our mind, body, and spirit to tell us how long, and we use our intention to receive energy. And again, depending on your particular needs, you do it for as long, and you send the energy to a specific location in your body as you need. So here is what it looks like. And you can please do it with me. Shaking can take many different forms and appearances. So I like to begin bouncing. You can even jump a little bit if you're feeling more vigorous, or especially if you have stuff going on in your lower body. Get my sleeves right. And from head to toe, you just feel what you need to shake out, what you got to let out. It's no surprise to me that this was the first thing that I wanted to share with you all as I reinvigorate this channel. And then yesterday, so much came up that we want to let go. On the exhales, you can focus a bit more, because the exhales is when we're releasing the carbon dioxide from our body. I like to remind people to shake side to side so that it's not just a forward and back. Let your spine really wiggle. And again, each day it can be different for you. This is a nice little releasing movement, shaking it out. Okay, as you begin to feel clear, we get ready to stake. We focus a little bit more on our inhale. I like to take a little jump. I like to be a little dramatic. Shake. Here we go. Stake. Send your energy down into the earth. Grow your roots. Legs about, shoulder width apart. As we come into a traditional Qigong stance, connected to the sky. Vertically, strongly connected. We just shook everything out onto the horizontal plane. We gave energy back to where it came from. And this would be the stillness and the receiving time. Today, I'm only showing you the position where our fingers are opposite our heart. Let your diaphragm relax so that on your inhale, your belly comes out, your chest expands. Exhale, the lungs empty, the belly comes in. Again, we are now vertically connected, receiving electrons from the earth as we are earthing. If the sun were out, we would be receiving electrons from the sun, but it's a foggy morning here in Southern California. And again, you can do this for as long as you feel necessary. If you have a meditation practice, I will be doing a video on the different forms of standing stillness meditation within the Qigong tradition. But today, I wanted to get the shake and the stake out to you all. It can be done in 30 seconds. It can be done for 30 minutes. The beautiful part about the Qigong tradition is that for every practitioner / teacher, we create new forms because energy will inform us and teach us what we need day to day. Within these traditions, you are continually taught to trust in yourself, your feelings, your thoughts, and the sensations that arise within you. I hope you have enjoyed this video today. There will be more to come, and we will always be seeking that intersection between the physical and the spiritual. I like to call these physio-spiritual biohacks. And the other theme of my channel today, which I forgot to mention, is here we like to turn and transform the woo-woo into yahoo! Have a beautiful day.